Good morning, hunters. Another day, another hunt. It's Thursday. Who's ready to hunt with us? GFAI is pumping now in the pre-market. We got a huge pump for GFAI. Where's the ultimate price target for GFAI? Are we gonna have a reversal? And where's the entry? This is the 1 million question. A lot of you asking now. So GFAI breaking the 3480, which is the breakout zone for today, and still holding. We got CYTO pumping 18%. We got mini stocks. GCTK got shorted 37% down. We got CXAI, jumping 59%. So AI taking the market, AI stocks is jumping and taking the market by surprise. Interesting, man. Interesting. The last years we got energy stocks and cannibal stocks, and now this year is AI stocks. Let's check. Yeah, we got a huge pump. Let me just put CXAI and GFAI both number one. We got NCMI got rejected yesterday around 64. We discussed this yesterday. Welcome everybody. Welcome Jem, Kaylee, Juan. Good afternoon, brother. GMVD. Yeah, we'll put it on the list to check it. GMVD. We'll put it on the list so we never forget. It's trending down, light volume. Let me just check first what we got on our watch list for today. We got mini stocks are pumping in pre-market. SABS jumping 105%. Interesting play. $3.57 million. Yeah, 93% up. Not bad at all. We might have a pullback. We might see a pullback for this one. What a huge wick we got here around the $1. Yeah, we tested the $1, but we got rejected. Yeah, we might see $1.57, but at the time being is really tricky because we got a huge pullback. We need more data for this one. We need too much data. Now we don't have many data to confirm a support because we might have a break now for 72. If we got this break, it means we're not ready yet. We'll see if we have a support when the market opens. SABS. This one I will watch closely because have potential to pump 85 for signal. Diets jumping 3%. We got things going on. Tesla is up 1%. Let us go back to the hour list and check the other stocks. AUUD still 92%. Took it from the list because fluctuate hard below our resistance. CXAI. Look at me, look. We got many stocks ending with AI on the top gainer list. We got CXAI, of course, on our list. POAI, this one. We got, we got many AI stocks are jumping. So let me just check this one. Wow, what a huge green candle. Yeah, we got great volume here, but it's a bit expensive now. Yeah, it's tricky now. We got some support here around the 357. Yeah, this one is tricky, brother. No, I don't trust this one. Don't trust this one for a continuation. We'll see here if we got test. GFAI is going back down, I think. Yeah, pulling back below. Yeah, we got the pullback. Let's check. Let's change this level around this area, the 29. So we have a support here. Let's check this support out. If we hold it for GFAI when the market open, and I put another alert around 29.70. And potential or price target nearly the 50. Wow, we might have a huge pump. Yeah, another 50%. Now is 10% in pre-market. So the 29 over the 30 is the price to hold. The other AI stock that we should watch is POAI. 25% for today. We might have a juicy pump for this one if we held over the 31. Let me just go, light volume on this one. Let me just check the volume in pre-market. Not bad, picking up. It's better than yesterday and the day before. We might have a nice pump for this one around the 39. Yeah, we got great days coming up for AI stocks. Great days coming up. This one might do 44%. Not bad. Even Warren Buffett can dream about this kind of profit, you know? He can wait years to get this kind of profit. 40%. Yeah, we take this for granted, guys. 40% in one day. Yeah, this is outrageous. But we need to be patient, to have this reaction. I will put another support around this area. And of course, I'll put it POAI on the list. Let's scavenge or hunt for other stock other stocks that maybe got some juice in them. This one might be juicy. Yeah, NOBQ. Yeah, we went down almost 30% in the pre-market. Interesting. Yeah, we have a huge pump and the price went down, gave almost 30% from the profit, almost 42% even. So I'm kind of undecided on this one. This kind of pullback is dangerous. We'll check if we got something here. Yeah, it's getting tight. I like tight stuff. Here it's really tight. So we might have a pump for this one later on. Let me just go in the big picture to see. Wow. Wow. Simply wow. Yeah, the target is a bit far for this one. Take this. Might have a huge pump toward the 70. There's another place to watch out for. 37, 26. Okay, so this one is sleeping, but we might have a huge pump for it later on when the market open. We'll watch for this break. Oh man, today would be a really great day, I believe so. I can feel it. I can feel it in my plums. Yeah, like there's a video, it's really funny. I always remember this one. I can feel it. I can feel it in my plums. Getting juicy for a picking. Yes, Jam EBS is still looking juicy. EBS bouncing from the bottom support. So we need to hold this support in order to have a reversal. 20 or 12.29. Now in pre-market is just 1%. The 13.67 is the support, the resistance. Yeah, we got rejected right around the resistance. Profit taking should be around the 17 next time. See what happened here. See what happened here. Yeah, getting rejected, but looking good in big picture. We have a breakout from this bearish channel. Really good for EBS. Looking juicy, lemon juicy. Yeah. This is it. Let me just put it. Okay, perfect. Now is looking perfect. Let me just take this off. 13.67 breakout. Support around the 11.70. Looking nice. Take it from the list. So MOBQ, let me just go in smaller picture, bring our watch list and prepare everything. Let me just check if we have another thing going on here lurking in this list. Okay, so we got MOBQ. We watch for a break from the 21. Otherwise, if we broke this support, we might have a game over for this one. So let me just put alert. There's something about to happen, guys, for this one. POAI, on the other hand, the 39. CXAI looking better. I'll put it first. GFAI looking better. I'll put it second. NCMI, I will put it third because it was a great hunt for yesterday. And Yeah, we might have a nice support here to hold, give or take around 47. First support. If we held it, would be a great indication for strength. And let me just bring SABS. This is dicey now. This is dicey. It's going down by bit by bit. This one have mixed emotion and mixed signals. Yeah, this one is a really bad girl. SABS is a really bad girl. You know that that feeling when you meet a new girl that she's a trouble. It's the same for SABS, man. I can feel it. I can't know why, but I can feel it. This is a sixth sense. For me, when I met or I meet person, I can feel something is off. So I don't have to waste my time. I just run away. I don't have to bother to discuss any like business or relationship or anything. I just run away, man. Run away. Time is really tight. Time is not small, but time is, you can actually have more time in your life, and you have fulfilled life if you just know where you spend the time. You don't have to spend it with the wrong people, on the wrong job, on the wrong environment. You have to have fixed amount of time doing the things that you really want to do. That's it. You can actually have ton of fun. And when you are 90, 100 or 150, hopefully, you look back and you say, okay, I really live a long life and fulfilled life. So a lot of people say is like life is short. No, man. Life is really long if you know where you spend your time. So yeah, so SABS, man, I feel mixed signals with this one. But I will keep it on my list because there's a potential. 85 resistance support. Let me just put it around the 70 and check if we're still holding over the 70. This one, right? Still mixed signals as well. Below the 13. Yeah, support still around 12. GCTK will leave it. Not today because we are 42%. Imagine. This one jumped almost 66%. We already took our profit around the 2077. Then price sold off the next day. I will take it from the list for today. BFRG 2%, just 2%. Yesterday 42% up. I will keep it on the list, man, because there's something about to happen. 637. And this one doesn't give me mixed signals, so I'll keep it. This is a good boy. This stock is a good boy. CYTO, wow, got sold off. Wow, got sold off right around the $2.88. Already did the pre-market update for this one. CYTO. It's been requested from us, from our hunters. And we said the $2.88 should be profit taken. Good morning, Sonia. Good morning from India. So CYTO looking dangerous now. So CYTO, we hunted for it when it was here. We said if we hold the $1.46, we're gonna have a pump. And guess what? The price pumped in the pre-market. Went to our profit taking. Yeah, I think it was here. Let me just check. Yeah, we did kind of a pre-market update. Yeah, it was right around the $1.46. No, around the $1.66, I believe. and we held the $1.46 in pre-market, yeah, around the one, and we suggest to take profit around the $2, yeah, the $2.88. The $2.08 was our breakout zone, I think, yeah. And yeah, we suggest to take profit around the $2. It was a really good hunt in pre-market. $2.88, yeah. See what's happened here? Price got rejected big time. Now just 4%. So for this one, still holding over the $2, so not bad. So this is the support to hold when the market open. Already held our bottom. Let me just put it here just in case. Already held over the $1.46, so it's good. We'll take it from the list. GMVD, yesterday 6% and now 1% down. This one look dicey, man. Looking dicey. Look what happened here. Short attack happened around the $3.12. We already discussed this level. We said this is our breakout zone. Guess what? Didn't. Triple top. Price got shorted. So the short attack happened around the 31st of March. Yeah, the end of the last day of March. Boom, we got shorted from there almost. Let me just check. Wow, yeah, almost 83%. Now still gravitating down. So what we should do for this one to have I don't know, like reaction back, at least we need to have a test around this area. The 76 now is 52 cents. Yeah, it's looking dangerous, brother. Looking dangerous, this one. Yeah, first level to test. Take it from the list. SAPS, as we said, guys, this one give me a mixed signals. By the way, BBVY, our trade, our short trade is still open. Yesterday 10% down. We didn't close this trade. We already opened it here. If you remember, guys, let me just go back here. Yeah, we opened it. The price was, let me just check. Yeah, direction is sell, quantity, entry. Yeah, last day of March we entered. Average price was around the 43. Yeah, 43 cents. And yeah, the price now is 28 cents. So the 43 around this area we shorted here. Price continued to go down. So BBY is still going down to the depth. That's why we don't close the trade, because as we said, if we still below the 39, this means there is no any reaction. The price will go down. Now is finding a new low. Let me just put this alert. Yeah, the alert should be around the 39 though. Yeah, 39 should be squeeze for BBY. 4 minutes left for the opening bell. PEAR, we already discussed it in our pre-market. Yeah, PEAR. PEAR, we already discussed it in our pre-market as well. I think we discussed CYTO, GFAI. Yeah, last one, PEAR. And we discussed this breakout zone around this triangle. We have this breakout. Support is still around the 10 cent. Price is testing our EMA now. The 16 cents should be the squeeze for today. Otherwise, we're still in downtrending market. So the 16 cents should be a trigger to go higher. This one looking interesting, yeah. Looking interesting. Boom. SABS. Yeah, told you guys. I don't trust this one. Told you guys. My intuition come to realization. This one I don't feel it. That's why the price going down. But we're still 81%. 81% for this one. Two minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left for the opening bell. So this one I will take it. CXAI looking juicy. It's pumping, guys. CXAI is pumping officially before the market open. We got a great day ahead of us. 1 minute left. Disclaimer. Remember that day trading is risky. Don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let's get ready to hunt. And of course, remember, don't be greedy. Take your profit on the way. Remember, profit is always good. And of course, never run after the price. Let the price come to you. CXAI is pumping. We have the squeeze alerted here around the $2.39. Price accumulated. Now it's ready to go toward the $3. We accumulated here over the $2. Now it's ready. GFAI. We need to hold over the 29. Okay, market open. Let's go, guys. Let's play. The market is open. NCMI. Okay, we have a great support for NCMI. If we held it, we're gonna have a continuation for NCMI. The 47, guys. 47 is the support for today. Let me just check how much. Yeah, 6% drop. So NCMI is still holding. We expect a retest for the 64. 47 is our current support. This one is top gainer yesterday. We did over 100%. Now is dropping back. NCMI 47 dropping. Oh man, I really hate it when the mouse have to charge it. Now I can't. I just use my laptop instead. Okay, I think we dropped. Gonna have a huge drop for NCMI because we didn't hold. GFAI on the other hand doing good, and CXAI going toward the profit taking. First one around the $3. Yeah, GFAI doing alright. It's bouncing from our MA around the 32. Meta is hitting our alert. Wow, Mara is still pumping. Okay, new test for Mara. New test. $10.60. We might see a breakout now for Mara. To $10.60. Double top. Potential breakout now for Mara around the $10.60. Yeah, SABS, I will take it from the list. POAI, still below the resistance. MOBQ, look at this, man. Look at this. MOBQ is about to do something. This is not normal. Price is accumulating here. There is no price action. We got tight support and tight resistance. If we broke this, we're gonna have a sell-off. NCMI still holding. GFAI, we might have a test for the support. Yeah, the strongest one now is CXAI, holding the breakout, the $2.39, and going steadily higher. So this is the support. Yeah, MOBQ breaking support. Short seller 1. Let me just check here. I will keep it on the list because we don't have a flush after the break. We might hold over the 1865, which is the bottom. Let's see. Take it from the list now. POAI. It's kind of undecided now. Let me just take it from the list as well. CXAI pumping, guys. This one is surely would be the top gainer. See what's happened? We have a test for the $3. Price got rejected. Wow, this is good. This is good. CXAI, this is the strongest one on our list. You see, our list getting shorter. With each minute passing, we just disqualify some stocks. ABS is going down, I think, or going up. No, it's going down. So ABS is kind of dangerous now. Yeah, we're gonna have test for the 11 now for EBS, $11.73, 73. Yeah, we're gonna have a test. Yeah, we're gonna have a continuation down for ABS. Dangerous now, dangerous for ABS. Let me just lower this around that level. Yeah, we got support around the $11.73. CXAI going toward the 3 once again. One of the strongest stock on our list. GFAI still holding the 29. NCMI, we're gonna have a drop toward the 35 after all, because we broke the support. You might see a huge drop down for NCMI. I'll put it there. BFRG is going down. We have a test for the $6.37, but we didn't break it. When we have this test, we got this test 1 hour in before the market open. Boom, and we got rejected. So this level is really strong. Right, it's getting near the breakout. CXAI is doing okay, and GFAI doing alright. Both of them doing alright. Yeah, GFAI now will yeah, we have to be kind of be careful now. As long as we hold over the 29, the sky is the limit for GFAI. The sky is the limit. Or is it? Yeah, we have a huge pump now. GFAI, it's not over. Yeah, GFAI is not over yet. Okay, Mara. Wow, Mara is doing alright, guys. Mara doing alright. We might have a huge continuation for Mara for today. Wow, GCTK, yeah, not looking good. CXAI, there's no stopping for this stock. Still accumulating around our profit taken and resistant. Now is a resistant around the $3. Wow, we got a bump. CXAI, one of the top gainer for today, I think will be. Yeah, it's better than the other one. Mara is getting shorted. BFRG. Yeah, not today. Not today, brother. We got double top around the $6.37. Price going down toward the support. If we broke the $5.33, we're gonna have a mini flush for BFRG. GFAI and CXAI doing alright. Still holding. Still holding for over this level. Okay, CXAI, we got a pump. We got another pump for CXAI. We might see price going to the moon for this one. Yeah, this one going toward the $3, guys. 67. This one going to the moon. 67. This one going to the moon, brother. To the moon. This one is going to the moon. 106% now. to the moon. I think. GFAI, top gainer for today, the strongest stock. We have another breakout from the $3, that's why the price is pumping. Next target for this one is the $3.67. Are we gonna go there? As long as we hold over the 3. Profit taken first one triggered around the $3. What an action. This one have a huge action. $3.30, huge order. $3.33, the price is getting squeezed higher. Who's buying here? Man, who is buying around the top here? This is a bit dangerous to buy here. Wow, 5,000 shares. Huge bulk buying, man. Some madness going on here around this level. They know something, guys. They know something. When someone buy 5,000 shares here, they know for sure that the price will squeeze. That's why the price is squeezing now. Oh man. This one is going to the moon. BFRG is going down, guys. Not today. Gonna take it from the list. GFAI still holding. We might see a new high. Yeah, GFAI is the top gainer for today. And it's not finished yet. Want to test the $3.67 before a huge selling pressure. Really, there's a magnet here. I see a magnet. I see a huge magnet.
A magnet is a material or object that produces a magnetic field. This magnetic field is invisible but is responsible for the most notable property of a magnet, a force that pulls on other ferromagnetic materials such as iron, steel, nickel, cobalt, etc. Do you want me to keep reading?
No, thank you. I know what the magnet is. I'm not stupid.
My pleasure.
What a crazy day, man. This is really funny. Wow, GFAI going and going and going and not stopping. Yeah, this one is strong, guys. This one is strong. You better believe it. We spot this stock on the pre-market when we said the $2.30 is a breakout zone. CX, yeah, it was the 7th. stock on our pre-market update when we said CXAI will squeeze. Yeah, CXI was around this area. Let me just check here. No, before that, CXI, yeah, here. Around the $2.40, we said the price is breaking out and squeezing. And we see just the price actually will continue to go higher toward the $3. So yeah, this was a great hunt for us. $3 and now $3.67. And it's still going. Still going. It's not stopping. Welcome, Xander. Welcome, brother. Yeah, I know, brother. I know. We got many people watching, but few likes. This is normal for day traders. Day traders are focused on the live stream and forgetting about liking the video because they are busy making money. This is the reality that I grow on. I don't bother on the likes anymore now. I'm just focused on the trade. Gold guys, 2,403. Gold all-time high. Gold, man's going to the moon, going to the 3,000 maybe. We might see 3,000 for gold. This would be madness. Look at this. 2,403. Oh man, this one is going toward the 2,680. 2068, I mean, 2068. Wow. What a day to be alive. What a day to be alive. Boom. Let me just put alert here. Gold going to the moon. CXAI still holding. Want to test the $3.67? As we said, this is profit taken. Oh man, the target for this one, you know why? Where is the $5 for this one? For Mara, going up once again. Wow, Mara is officially pumping 7% and still pumping. My brothers and sister, marathon is going to the moon. Let's see. Yeah, Mara toward the 1180 or 50. Because Bitcoin is pumping, that's why Mara is pumping. Mara is pumping because Bitcoin is pumping. Riot is sleeping. Aha, so this is good trade now for Mara because Mara is Riot is Mara. They both have the same fundamentals. So Mara squeeze before Riot. So we might have a squeeze for Riot in a few seconds because we're getting near the squeeze area. GFAI is still accumulating. Okay, we're still holding over the supports. Not big deal. What's going on with the market? The market is kind of crazy today. NOBQ. Wow. Yeah, this one is game over. Let's check how much we can do. Another 7% or 6% is doable. Let's put it here. 1180, 22. Great point of view, Jim. Great point of view regarding GFAI losing momentum. Thank you. Well, thank you, brother. Really appreciate it. Good morning, Luis. Hopefully, you have better day today, and you're hunting with us. Frederick, CXAI, how high will get? This one will never stop pumping until unless we have like a support and holding over the support at $2.39, we're gonna have a continuation. We already hit the first profit, the 3. Now we expect the $3.67 pretty soon. Mara is pumping, guys. Mara is squeezing, getting over the $10.64, which is our resistance, and now turning to support. Great reaction. Riot is on the same reaction. We're gonna have a breakout now for Riot. Watch out, guys. Riot is about to break. Riot is about to break. NCMI. Yeah, we got breakout. We got breakout for Riot. Yeah, the same reaction. As we said, Mara is squeezing, so Riot will squeeze with it. Mara is almost 9%, Riot 6%. And both of them pumping because Bitcoin is pumping. Let me just check where we're gonna go for Riot. I think the $15 would be a good price target for today before a major shift down. Yeah, 15 looking nice price. So the $15 for Riot, we expect the 15, and Mara we expect the 11 something. Yeah, still pumping. We got huge test for mini stocks. BFRG is going down. CYTO. GCTK, of course, down. Mara, APS. Yeah, EBS CXAI and OPQ, Mara again, Meta. We got Meta going up pretty nice for today. 2%. Wow, new level. So we have a breakout, guys, for Meta. Wow, looking pretty nice. Let me just put this here. Might see a continuation toward $2 or 247 or 240. We got NCMI. It's going back down. Exilla is jumping, but not good jump. GFAI, I think, is going back down a bit. Interesting. This is Exilla, yeah. Exilla, we have to update our level of support and resistance. The support here, resistance there. GFAI. GFAI getting shorted big time. Getting shorted. Yeah, getting shorted now. Let me just check. Yeah, we broke kind of the first support. The other support that we have to watch for today is there if we don't want to have a sell-off. Come on, what's going on with the alert? Okay. Great. We got an interesting level now. Huge pullback for GFAI. Huge pullback. Yeah, CXAI pumping back toward the $3.67. Dogecoin, we have Dogecoin pumped and now still holding the current pump. Let's see if we continue to hold. Wow, this one looking good. WOO looking juicy. Ethereum as well looking pretty nice.
On it.
Yeah, Dogecoin still holding. There's a potential another pump. Watch out, Dogecoin is about to squeeze. Elon Musk is about to squeeze Dogecoin. And Ethereum getting near a level of resistance. But Bitcoin is a new high level. Let me just go in my list. Yeah, Mara is on the top gainer, guys. Mara on the top gainer list. Yeah, Mara is gonna continue to go higher for today. Let's check right. What's going on, everybody? Thank you, Elite. Welcome, brother. MC for Luis, or for Elite Hunter. CXAI still holding the $3. GFAI is going down toward the support, the 35.50. Yeah, the 35.50. We're still doing higher lows here. Yeah, we kind of doing higher lows. Yeah, we got many of you asking about OCEA. 49%. Yeah, we got the $5.84 as a support for this one. A great support around the $5.80. Profit taking is getting near. Yeah, around the 740. CNCL. This one I will pass. AMST as well on the top gainer list. I will drag my support. We got some level to watch. Around the 5, no, below the 5. This should be a resistance. Yeah, we got an interesting resistance below the 5 and the $5.40. You know what I'm gonna do? I'll put the alert just below because we're gonna test it now. We're gonna test this level now. This is where we should take profit for AMST because here we're gonna get rejected. Here we're gonna get rejected. And there we should hold over the $4. Wow, this one doesn't want to give up. Still holding over the 3. You know what that mean? Yeah, someone buying, someone hungry and buying. NCMI is still holding strongly. This one high risk, high reward. NCMI, high risk, high reward. NCMI 16%, 43 million. Okay, this one looking interesting for a play now. For a reversal, we bounce from our AMA. Huge bounce, nice bounce, getting near this area of squeeze between the 64 and 50. Yes, looking interesting. NCMI for a continuation. Already have my alerts just in case if we dipped around the 43. Otherwise, now it look nice. Mara in midway still. 10%, not bad for Mara. Yeah, GFAI bouncing like a ball. Bouncing like a ball from this level. Still looking strong. Let's check AMC and see if we have price action for today for AMC or not. Let me just check very quick. %. Yeah, yesterday we dropped from our ascending channel. We broke our bullish trend, but we held the $5.12. So the $5.12 is the first support that we should hold. Resistance still around the $5.90. So this is good that we bought back and we accumulated in the pre-market. So looking good for AMC because we're still holding over the $5.12. This is nice. Resistance getting near. Already put my alert. We'll check it later. Alligator. CXAI still holding the 3. This one could be top gainer for today. We might have 200%. As long as we hold the $2.39, which is a confirmed support. But in the time being, we need to hold over this level. Boom. Yeah, the $2.80. We might see a test now for the $2.80. Profit taking was around the 3. Already triggered it. GFAI, we might have a squeeze once we break. Yeah, it's really dicey here. Around this level, we'll see. 33.98. Interesting level here to break and squeeze. Current support is over the 27 if we don't want to have a flush for today. Below the 28. So there's something will happen for GFAI. This one was a top gainer yesterday. We did the huge pump. Look at this. Yeah, almost 40%. Now is ready to do another move. So I'm not leaving it. What we learn that the moment that you step away from the chart, you sleep or you drink something, or you take your eyes from the chart like this, you see that the stocks squeeze and you left behind. Let me just stop this. Mara still accumulating. Imagine if you trade like this without any technical. It would be really hard, you know? We need something to rely on. Otherwise, we'd be gambling. And the other thing is, the funny part is, it's really hard to talk and at the same time think. You can't have hyper focus if you do the both. HKD hit our scan now. To the depths. You see, Luis, that's why we suggest to take profit around the $9.40, because this is the resistance. First signal was here when we broke our trend. Boom. That's why I don't trust HKD, guys. You have to get in and get out very quick. CXI doing alright. GFAI dropping back because we are below our resistance. Mara on right as well, dropping back. This is normal. This is normal. NCMI looking better situation than the other. Let's check the other stocks. We got Tesla. Remember, guys, Tesla have earning just in 6 days. Earning in just 6 days left for Tesla. That's why we might have a reversal. Major reversal awaited to be happen for Tesla. Nvidia 1%, Meta 2%. We got Green Day. We have to put some music on Green Day music. If you know this punk music artist or music band, it's called Green Day. We should put Green Day song for today. We have spring, winter, summer, autumn, you name it. What a crazy day we have. The markets, for the weather. Now is sunny and weather is good. Before it was windy and rainy and even hail. We have even a snow, man. We got snow even in the morning. Anyway, this is not our focus. Our focus is the market. So we got Nvidia breaking the trend, Meta breaking the trend but up. Wow. So Meta and upside momentum movement. We might have the test for the 234. This will give us another 7% for this huge bullish run. Wow, so Meta looking really interesting play now. Neo is 2% down. SPY, INTC, yeah, it's going down a bit. EBS is holding, but yeah, Meta looking more in tune with our strategy. Look pretty nice. Great, Luis. You know, when you lose money, you'll be kind of in different modes psychologically. So what I suggest, don't think about the last loss that you encounter, but think about the future ahead. There's always an opportunity, but the idea of thinking about getting back your losses, this is where you affect your portfolio. You make yourself force a trade, you trade more in order to get back the losses, and this is sabotage your trading. So forget about what you lost. Every day is a new day. Think about each day is a new day. And of course, we have to go back in time to check our losses to learn from them. That's it. GFAI. John said keep your eye on GFAI. We might have a reversal. Yeah, because we near the support, the 2769, but it's dicey here. The reversal will start around the 3398, but still, you see, we are below this level, the 34. Any price here below and above this area, the support and resistance, low volatility. We're gonna have a squeeze once we break the 34, or a sell-off if we break the 28. So that's why I put alerts, Jean. I don't want to watch it like every second because it's ranging now. There's no money in this range. Wow, Mara is still pumping, and Riot is still pumping. Both of them are pumping. And PBY is pumping down. Yeah, this is good. It's going up. A new high for Mara. We went down, but we held. Yeah, Dodge 4%, Ethereum 4%. Yeah, the Bitcoin doing all right. Wow, CXAI is about to pump once again. We accumulated for a few minutes and now the price is ready to pump. See what's happened here? Accumulation, pump, accumulation, and another pump. This is good. This is good. This is how stocks squeeze, you know? Not playing around and kind of trading sideways, you know? This stock mean business. This stock is mean business. Martin. Thank you, Martin. Appreciate it, brother. This is the hunter way of trading. You have to be patient and let the price go to our profit taken. CXAI, okay, hitting our profit taken. The $3.68, as we said, accumulation pump, and the profit taken triggered now. Now is going to the moon toward the $5 for this one. This is madness, man. This is really madness. This one going toward the 5. First profit taken hit when the market open. Second profit taken hit now. Third profit taken will hit on power hour. What a great day to be alive. CXI was here on our list in pre-market. So CXI was a great hunt. We got PER, we hunted for it as well. Right, we hunting for it now. CYTO, GFAI. So we have a great hunt for today. No, Martin. No, man, I don't like rivals or guns. We just use our intuition, our energy. We don't have to use guns, man. I prefer like back in the days sword fighting, man. It's kind of fair, you know, because now we have guns and even the skinniest guy can actually beat the strongest man. And this is not fair, man. This is not fair. That's why I don't like. I never actually even hold a gun, real gun, in my hand. I will never to, and I don't have to. Hopefully, I will never have to hold a gun in my life because I don't like guns. Yeah, guns are the great equalizer. Yeah. Yeah, but this is not fair, Jim. This is not fair for the natural selection. That's why genetic now and the human race is downtrending now. We don't have the great genetic will be transferred in the next future, because we save everybody, even the weaklings. In genetic code, they will transfer their genetic code to the next generation, and this is not good. Should the strongest survive, or the good genetic will actually survive for the other generation? Now with guns and with the other things, we say like even the weakest human can survive now. Back then they don't have guns, and they hunt. You can hunt with your hand, you can hunt with traps, making traps, and this is the best way of hunting, to make traps for animals. You don't do anything, you just rest in a shade, and then you check your traps, you get monkeys, rabbits, whatever. So traps is the best, and you get arrow on the bow. This is the best way to hunt, man, and the cleanest, and the more I don't know. It depends on the strength on your hand. It depends on the balance. It depends on a lot of factors. It's not like guns, man. The guns is easy. Everybody can actually hunt with guns. Need little practice. Except for sniper, of course, if you want to hit like like far target. But for my opinion, guns make everything easy, and it's not fair. For my opinion, it's not fair, man. Mr. Levitz, that's the problem, man. When monkeys get the gun, that's the problem. Exactly, man. Exactly. Oh, man. This is the problem with our world. A lot of monkeys have guns. CXAI 3.67. Okay. GFAI still going down. Right, still going up. Mara is still pumping. NCMI sideways. So yeah, Mara and Riot doing alright. Mara and Riot doing alright. Great. GFAI is still going down. There is no buying pressure happening. We should have a reversal here. This is really critical. This is really, really critical. This area, this is really critical to have a reversal or a selling pressure toward the 2350. If we broke this level, boom, price will have a huge dip. Let me just check how much this dip will be. Wow, 13%, another 13%. If we held, we're gonna have a reversal. That's it. CXAI getting rejected near our profit taken. Our profit taken was around the $3.67, I think. Yeah, 66, so we don't have to change it. Okay, we got something going on here. Something going on with Tesla. Tesla, it tried to break in a level here. I saw like a lot of traders talking about the blue glasses. Anybody have an idea why many traders actually using blue glasses when they trading? I don't see any trouble like when I trading and watch the chart without glasses. Why using blue glasses? This is really interesting because I saw many streamers talking about the blue glasses. I don't know, it's kind of advertising or it's a real thing. I'm just asking if one of you actually using blue glasses when trading, because I don't have trouble while I trade on my laptop. No, stay on the page while you leave. Wow, we're gonna have a huge selling pressure now. See what happened. Let me just take everything off to see it clearly. Mr. Levitz, is there a difference between type of screens? Because some screens maybe don't emit blue light. I have to do my research about this because I don't know. I think it depends on the monitor that you're using, or is this universal? I don't know. Yeah, John. I believe so, yeah. I think some people have trouble seeing without glasses. They have more trouble with this. Anyway, GFAI is still holding. See what's happened? A test and still holding. CXAI, Riot. Oh, Mara is pumping. Mara is pumping today. Going toward the 1158 after all. Now winter has came. Before just 1 hour it was summer here. Now it's turning to winter. What a crazy weather we have here. You can make sense You can make sense of it. Yeah, GFAI is bouncing now. GFAI is bouncing finally from the bottom. 27. Now it's 29. New high for Riot. Scrolling up like a snake. Slowly and steadily. Interesting, Mr. Levitz. I will check this out if I have it on my MacBook. MacBook Air. I don't know if they have this adjustment for the blue light exposure. I will check it out later on. Maybe I will ask ChatGPT to help me out. So the sweet spot for having minotaurs for trading is, everybody say, around 4, you know. For me, let's say 3, you know. 3 is good. One, the major like screen for the orders and everything, and the other 2 for watching other stocks, you know. So it's good to have at least 3 to monitor some stocks. So one for the laptop for execution, for the trade, and the other monitor is for stock screener to see other stock that pumping, and the second one is to watch for the second stock that will be ready to pump, you know. So you have 2 options. And some say the more monitor you have, the more options or opportunity to spot some stocks. So it depends on your the way of trading. I have this website is good. I always put like a timer. If I want to read a book or something, I put it on, let's say, 30 minutes, and I just set around 30 minutes, and I do my thing, reading like a book or trading or something, to have a rest, you know, between 30 minutes, because everybody say reading even a book, like the normal concentration power that we have is usually 30 minutes if you want to have deep focus. And some say when you have more time, you can actually more focus, you can actually get in flow state after almost 20 minutes, so you forget that you are trading or working or something like this for hours, but you have to put the first 30 minutes in. This is the hardest 30 minutes because sometimes you want to sit to write a book or do something really hard to need more focus. You need at least 20 minutes or 15 minutes to get in the flow state, and then you should never be distracted. That's why I turn off everything. The sound, the phone, everything is off now. CXAI is pumping again. Again. Never stop. This one is going to the moon, guys. Moon landing. Wow. AMST, guys. AMST. Look what's going on. AMST went to our profit taking and got rejected right around our box, the $5.40 precisely, and the price went down from there. That's why we suggest take your profit there. Hopefully the short seller didn't saw our video when we talk about this. Hopefully they didn't watch our live streaming, because we talked about it just a few minutes from now when some of you, I think Elite, our hunter here, asked about AMST price target. We suggest to take profit here. So hopefully the short seller didn't see our live streaming, because now they started to short around our box and now it's going back down almost 12%. And let me just put a support for AMST around this, and a resistance to be broken next time around the $5.40. NCMI, we might have a test and a break now. It's been in slow motion trading. Yeah, we might have a break now. Wow, Mara, man, going toward the 1158. This is really crazy reaction from Mara. We have a breakout and price continuation up. For right as well, we have a continuation, but Mara doing better than right. Yeah, really better, because it's 14 and right is just 9. CXAI. Okay, GFAI is started to reverse from the bottom. As we said, the 2769 should be the bottom, and see what's happened. 2 green candle, 2 5-minute green candle is reversing from the bottom to 2769. Mara getting near the resistance, the 1158, now 1144. Profit taken as we suggest. And the breakout zone was here around the $10.64. Great breakout zone. Thank you, Xander. There's a lot of good restaurant here in France. It's really good food. It's best place to be for dining, for seeing the city. It's a really good place to be here in Paris. And thank you for the dinner, brother. Yeah, 155 for CXAI. Yeah, it's now squeezing, guys. Toward the 5. Now it's toward the 5. But watch out, guys. We need to hold a new level now to confirm this breakout, and continuation toward the 5 is around the $3.49. So as long as we hold the $3.49, we are clear toward the 5. This one is going to the moon, guys. CXAI to the moon. We might have another 22% easily. $5. This one's $5. Never stop. Look at this. We jumped 12th of April, just yesterday. Look, it was around the $1. Now it's $5. 200% in the span of 2 days. 200%. What a madness. CXAI, what a madness. And just from here, 25%. Going. Wow, 420, 2029, 431. Oh man, this one going to the moon actually. This one's going toward the 5, guys. PRDS. Yeah, BRDS going toward the bottom, 1590. We're still below the 20, so I don't suggest to buy here. It's really risky. We might see a huge gap down. If we broke the 1590, huge selling pressure will open until the 13. So this should be the bottom now for BRDS over the 16 cent. Resistance is still around the 20 cent. 165%. $4.29, $4.30, $4.33, $4.50. Man, I'm telling you guys, this one will never stop. It's going to the moon. Moon landing. $5 is the top price for today. Wow, we're gonna have a good day for this. Good day for our hunters. Already cut this one around the $2.80 here. This was the first breakout. And the price continue to go higher toward the 5. 170%. 173%. Going to the sky. Yeah, this is the sun. The sun came in once again. Let the light shed on the stock market. It look like I came from heaven, you know. Jesus came from heaven and just shed the light on the stock market. Try to stop the manipulation. This would be really good objective, you know, in one life. Try to fight the communists and all the big hedge funds and all manipulators. It's good. It's good goal, but it's hard, man, for one man to fight those big companies on the Nasdaq, and the New York Stock Exchange. This will be really a great fight. To the light, guys. To the light. Let the light shed the darkness. There is a huge darkness now, man, in the stock market. Huge manipulation, dark people everywhere. Spammers, scammers everywhere. It's hard to actually navigate in the financial system now without getting robbed, you know? This is crazy what's going on. And whatever we go in the future, the harder it gets, you know, and the harder it gets to be safe, trading, buying stuff, even protect your identity is really hard, getting really hard now. So we try to have the power, higher power to help us, you know, to at least know the direction where we should go and where we should take our profit. GFAI pulling back. Okay, so now this is will be normal pullback because a lot of people taking profit taking, trigger profit taking around this area, $4.40. But as long as we said, holding over the $3.49 is good. Not a problem here to have a reversal. Not a problem. We're gonna have a continuation. GFAI, on the other hand, started to reverse. Yeah, started to reverse. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Dave. Jim, you don't have to chase any trade. You just do trailing stop. You know, you don't have to like hold and open a new position higher. Yeah, I don't suggest to do that. Like buying stock that pumping and getting at the top price. No, we have to enter on the breakout zone or on the support. Then do a trail stop. You don't have to chase any trade if you entered at the right price, you know. I know it's really hard to do sometimes. That's why if we are wrong, we have to exit quickly. We don't have to hold, and we never have to average down. This is my strategy, and this is my number one rule: is never averaging down on any stock. Of course, only stock that like blue chip company that proven for, after many years that never get bankrupt, you know, those stock I will average down on. But for stock like pumping from below zero then go over the $1 and was below zero before, I will never trust them, man. I will never average it down. I will just hunt it down. Get in, get out. Yeah, CXAI is going down. This is normal, guys. Every time we have this kind of movement, we have to reload. We have to go back down. So this is not a selling pressure. This is normal selling pressure as long as we hold over the $3.50. So this area should be our support. But the 5 is getting near, guys. See what happened here? This is where the short seller will cover. And we're gonna have major squeeze. That's why this selling started to show now for CXAI. Wow, NCMI pumping, guys. NCMI. We have an indication for squeeze. NCMI. Yeah, NCMI is pumping. NCMI. I think we got it here. Where's NCMI? Yeah, we're about to pump, guys. NCMI, we're about to pump. After we clear here, the 57. Yeah, after we clear this level, we're gonna have a squeeze. Support 49. Squeeze here toward the 64. Yeah, this is the first signal for squeeze actually, around the 55. 57 actually. Yeah, support here 49. Major breakout will happen now for NCMI. Really major breakout. What's gonna happen? What a day, man. What a day it was. What a day. Today was a huge pump day. CXAI. Yeah, it's not over yet. It's not over. Yeah, we're gonna break here. We're gonna break. Volume is picking up big time. 68 million. This is not child play, man. 68 million worth of volume. Okay, 55. Let me just check the volume. Yeah, it's picking up. 70. 45. Yeah, volume is doing really good here. Wait a second. NCMI. Yeah, it's about to pump, guys. This is it. We're getting near a huge preparation for a pump around the 57. What's gonna be? Come on. Huge pump here toward the 64. This is the major resistance actually, the 64, but this is the first signal, the 56 or 57, yeah. Okay, we're gonna pump. It's a matter of time. Just a matter of time. Let's check Mara. Wow, Mara hit our profit taken, 11.58. What a crazy pump for Mara. Look at this. Look at this pump. Wow, there is no pullback. Now we might have a pullback. Now we're gonna have a pullback around the 11.58. You see what's happened here? We're gonna have a pullback like this. Now, huge red candle for Mara. It have to be. It ought to be. This is not normal. If we broke the 11 without this kind of pullback, this will be kind of unreasonable. Yeah, we have to pull back toward the 11 now. NCMI, on the other hand, still hugging our resistance. Come on, let the light shed on the market. Show us the way. Where's the angels? We need the angel to save us from the short sellers and the bots and the algo trading. Yes, NCMI is pumping. AMST is about to pump right now. Right now. Wow, CXAI is pumping once again. As we said, guys, it's not selling pressure. It's going toward the 5 after all. We need the 5. There's a magnet there toward the 5. We're gonna hit the 5 before we finish our live streaming. And NCMI as well, we're gonna pump before we finish our live streaming. It have to be, man. It have to be. Come on. Come on. Where's the angels? Come on. Yes, break. No, test and went down. Come on, break, 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 break. Come on, 57. Yeah, we broke, of course. We broke. Great, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Lemon squeezing. Yeah, we squeezing. We squeezing, brother. NCMI. Let's check it. Okay, we have a bit of wick. This is normal. We need a continuation now toward 64. 64. Aha, price went down. Okay, the short is adding here, so this is good. Show us that the short didn't want to leave this price to the chance. Let me just check. I will keep it. Still, I will keep it. This short adding here, man. Yeah. Yeah, it's still adding. But if we retest it, we're gonna have a squeeze. The short add their position. This is really clear. Around the 57, yeah, we have a wick. Price didn't close. Yeah, even 1 minute. We didn't have even close 1 minute. Price went down. Interesting. Bull trap here. Bull trap. We got bull trap for NCMI. AMST. What's going on with this one? Still holding. Mara is going down, of course. Mara 14. Yeah, breaking this trend a bit because we hit our profit taken around the $11.58. You see what's happened now? We're gonna have a pull down, of course. Pull down. Come on, go down toward the 11. What else we got? GFAI is reversing from the bottom. Nice. Great reversal. You see what's happening, guys? 27.69, as we said. This should be the bottom. guess what? We reversed perfectly. How much we did now? We did 11%. CXAI, man, going toward the 5. Yeah. Look what's happened, guys. We went near our profit taking the 5 and getting rejected now. So the 5, guys, the 5 is the squeeze. Now it's almost 200%. As we said, 200. It was around the below 100%. So we did 100% actually. When we start our live streaming, it was below the 100%. Now it's 196% for CXAI and going toward the $5. We're gonna have the $5 now. We're gonna have the $5 right now. We're gonna do short analysis update, guys, for CXAI for today. Watch out. If we broke the 5, of course we're gonna break the 5 maybe in power hour. We're gonna do a short analysis update here on day trade, like what we did for Dutch coin for today, yesterday BFRG, and we're gonna do it here on our Patreon, of course. So stay tuned for this update for CXAI. If we broke the 5 after we finish our live streaming, we're gonna discuss GFAI, of course, after we break the 33.98. Chart update analysis for those. Marathon, and Riot, NCMI, of course, getting rejected around our resistance. Perfect rejection here. So we're gonna do a chart update analysis for those stocks, so stay tuned for that. Of course, we don't forget our hunters. We're gonna hunt, so we let the price come to us, never run after the price. So get ready, guys, for a huge power hour for today. We're gonna do them, and again, we're gonna do a video for around the 8 p.m. CET to discuss the stock that we're gonna hunt for tomorrow. We have to wrap up our live streaming for today, and sorry if we don't cover all the question for today, because today was really hot day. We have a huge pump for many stocks. That's why we couldn't actually cover all the requested stocks. So for the next time, of course, we're gonna cover the requested stock. Just make sure to come early. So when you come early, we could actually cover your stocks before the market open, around 3 p.m. CET or 9 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next update.